and labantu abaphakathi kulowo mbuso mpho bangamakhosi. Yiki iBhayibheli lithi uyinkosi yamakhosi. Which kings? We are the kings because wazalwa inkosi izala inkosi. Akwazi ukuthi sithathe le right yokuba inkosi sinike somunye. We are kings because we are in the kingdom. Akwazi ukuba in the kingdom and never be a king. So we are king. We are kings under the lordship of Jesus. Under the lordship of Jesus. You are the king when you are Musa. I want you to understand because we are in the kingdom, sifanele sibe driven as a church. Sifanele understand ukuthi we are in the kingdom. Can you say ngiyabusa kulophili? Uma ungabusi akusiyi inkinga kaJesu, inkinga yakho. Are you still okay?